keeping to my lazy style of one take, so I'm going to do this in one take. Here she is. It's been almost 12 years. Started as a, here we go, there's a section. Wow. I had a few of those, but I didn't keep them all. There's a floor down here. Yeah. So yeah, 12 years and a fair bit of help from a few people. She's on the road. Hubcaps are looking great. Quite stiff. I thought I was going to lose them, but I had to put them on this morning and there's no chance they're coming off by themselves, so we're safe there. What are we up to? We've got 86 miles. Got to get used to that. It's kilometres in Australia, but this is in miles. Did my first drive this morning. Well, I had my first drive when I picked it up, but first proper drive, enjoying it. Listen to that ticking. See how long that clock works. It's going to pack it in at some point, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, kept it as original as I can. Missing that. Drives really well considering. I thought I was going to have a lot of teething issues, but only a couple. Nothing too bad. Got the metal fan, a little shroud. I'm pretty sure if that metal fan lets loose, there's going to be hell to pay, but it's the correct one, so you do what you got to do. The gearbox isn't the best. Unfortunately, it whines a fair bit. The synchros, you can't really find them in great condition, so it is what it is. We'll fix that down the road, but for now, at least it's drivable, it's enjoyable. I just got home in a stink of fuel and exhaust, which is great. I missed that. It's been so long. My wife came out as I was leaving earlier. She was like, "What is that smell?" Yeah. That's the Datsun smell. Those re-vents don't really do a great job. I love the badging on these cars. Oh, these vertical demisters, they're not correct for my car. It's an American thing, but I really liked them, so I had that screen and I thought I'd use it. So yeah, there we go. Bit over 12 years, a couple of kids, moved house, a lot of late nights, and also falling out of love with it a couple of times. Leaving the project sit for a long time, but there was never a doubt that I'd finish it. And here it is. Now it's just time to drive and enjoy. Whatever project you're working on, I hope you get to this stage and you get to experience it on the road. That's it for me for now.